In this video, we'll show you how to choose the correct wash programs for your load. We'll also explain how to use detergent and rinse aid correctly to ensure your dishes get a great clean every time. You can use the program button to scroll through the different wash programs. Keep pressing it until you get the light illuminating next to the cycle you're wanting to use. The heavy cycle is a lot hotter and it will remove a lot of the stubborn grease and food that gets stuck on. The normal cycle is mostly used for everyday washes. It's great when you've got a mixture of plates, bowls, cups and glasses, so it's a great everyday cycle. The fast cycle is designed for busy lifestyles and last minute washes. It's probably not very good for removing a lot of stubborn grease, fats and food off plates. The delicate cycle is designed for your wine glasses, crystal and more fragile items. And then you've got a rinse cycle too. If you just want to rinse some plates off before the main wash, maybe it's going to be another day before the dishwasher is ready to go on, it's great if you want to do a quick rinse to avoid food drying onto plates, and then do the full wash later on. On this side here we have the Eco button. The normal Eco cycle will save you on energy usage and can make the wash cycle a little bit longer but gives you the same sort of wash performance. For the dish drawer you can either use powder or tablets. The powder dispenser is here. If you're going to use a tablet, the tablets go in a different location, a little holder in the cutlery basket. Using rinse aid makes your dishes drier at the end of the cycle. The water is allowed to dry off a lot quicker than if you don't use rinse aid. There's a little plug below the main powder dispenser and you just twist that. Add your rinse aid in there and just fill it up. So don't refill until the light comes back on. If you are using tablets, many of these already contain rinse aid and there is no need to add. In this video, we are going to show you how to clean the filter and spray arm of your dish drawer to ensure your dishes are perfectly clean every time. One of the great benefits of the dish drawer is that it's two dishwashers in one. Each operates as its own individual dishwasher, designed with a spray arm at the base. The spray arm needs to rotate freely, and if it gets blocked off, it cannot do its job. If your dishes are not coming out as clean as they should be, it could be that the spray arm is not able to rotate freely, or the filter may be blocked. We'll show you how to resolve these problems using the simple steps shown in this video. Turn the power off at the wall, remove your cutlery basket and you will see an access panel. Lift the access panel up and then lift the filter up and free. So you normally get a bit of build up in and around here and on the mesh, but you can take that right out and give it a really good scrub. So that's all you need to do. We would recommend to clean out the filter every month or so. To remove the spray arm, firstly remove the base rack in the bottom. Lift this from the back and up and out. And that gives us access now to the bottom of the tub. The spray arm is now accessible and that just lifts off. It's important to clean the spray arm regularly because if these holes along the spray arm get blocked, it won't wash the dishes as well. Give the spray arm a tap from side to side when it's dry, and the little bits and pieces that are in there will fall to the centre and fall out. And then rinse it under a tap as well to flush those bits that are still stuck in there. Wipe with a dry cloth and put the spray arm back in. Push the filter back in place at the front here. And then the basket, front first, and hold on a bit of an angle. Lightly drop it in, and once you've cleared the cup racks, it just falls into place. An easy thing to do is to check the spray arm each time before starting the dishwasher. Just give it a flick to ensure that it's able to rotate freely around, especially here by the filter. This can stick up if it's not pushed down properly, and the spray arm can just catch the top of that. It is good to check the height too, so if a plate is higher than the lip on the edge of the tub, then there could be an issue with the lid not sealing. This could lead to leaking.
If you like my videos, please press the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of my videos. Thanks for watching.